I am Amlan Jyoti Naik of class 7C of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Khordha Road. I am going to speak some few words about Maharashtra. Maha means big and Rashtra means nation. Maharashtra is the third largest state by area and the second most populated state in India. Maharashtra can also be called as the land of rich culture and heritage. It is famous for its unique customs and practices. Maharashtra had huge influence over India under the 17th century king, the Chhatrapati Shivaji of Maratha Empire, whose concept was Hindavi Swarajya, which translates to the self-rule of people. The Maharashtra has cultures related to Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Muslims, etc. The traditional dresses of Maharashtra are suited to festival occasions as well as prevalent weather conditions. The women wear 9-yard long sari which is called Nauvari with choli or blouse at the top. They also wear stunning pieces of jewelry like the nathar nose ring and the adorning pieces of necklaces called saj. The men wear shirt or kurta with dhoti made of cotton which drape around the waist and extend up to the ankles. They also wear a cap made of cotton on their head which is called pagdi. The craftspersons and artisans of Maharashtra extensively blend silk and cotton together to make himru and masru fibers. The Narayanpet saris are famous for the decoration with the motifs across the body and the border. The Worli paintings of Worli tribes of Thane depicts the regular living of people with symbolic shapes like squares, triangles, circles, etc. The rock cut carvings in the Ajanta Ellora caves and the oldest wall paintings are present today in our Ajanta Ellora caves. They are regarded as the cultural emblem all over the India and the world. There are many notable monuments in Maharashtra like Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal, the Gateway of India are the greatest contributions of the architect of Maharashtra. The festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, then Narali Purnima, Janmashtami, Shivaji Jayanti make the life of the people of Maharashtra colorful. The Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated for 11 days in Maharashtra in a grandeur way. During harvest, the Poli is celebrated in which the bullocks are worshipped. At the heart of Maharashtra, the folk music, theatre music and the poetry by the saints play a vital role. The cultural dance styles of Maharashtra are Lavani, Tamasa, Dindi, etc. The Gateway of India in Mumbai, Sai Baba Temple in Shirdi, Mahalakshmi Temple in Kolhapur, the Triambakeshwara Temple in Nasik, many historical places in Aurangabad, the Ajanta Ellora caves are some of the tourist destinations of Maharashtra. The Maharashtra is the integral part of the India and among the most developed states of India. So Jai Hind, Jai Chhatrapati Shivaji, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.